Have you ever wondered how some people manage to accumulate wealth and ensure their financial security, while others seem to constantly struggle to make ends meet? The answer often lies in the ability to diversify their sources of income. Today, we will explore the strategies used by successful entrepreneurs to create multiple income streams. Stay with us until the end and discover how you too can start building a more solid and prosperous financial future. Let's start with an introduction to the concept of multiple income streams. The basic idea is not to rely on a single source of income to sustain your lifestyle. This is important because by diversifying your income sources, you reduce the risks associated with relying on just one job or business. If one income source fails, you will still have others that continue to generate money for you. Imagine a table with several legs, not just four. If one leg breaks, the table will still stand, supported by the other legs. This is the fundamental principle of income diversification. Let's talk a bit about passive income. Passive income is money that you earn with little or no ongoing effort. Common examples include rental income, stock dividends, investment interest, and royalty revenues. Imagine having an income source that continues to generate money for you while you sleep. Wouldn't that be amazing? One of the most popular ways to generate passive income is by investing in real estate. Buying properties to rent out can provide a steady stream of monthly income. Additionally, real estate tends to appreciate over time, increasing your net worth. But for that, it is necessary to acquire the necessary knowledge to operate in this market. Another option is to invest in dividend-paying stocks. Many companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders, providing a regular passive income. The key here is to choose solid companies with a history of consistent dividend payments. Additionally, you can consider investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, which allow you to invest in commercial and industrial real estate without needing to buy properties directly. This method is simpler than direct property purchase, and the entry cost is much lower. The secret is to accumulate as much as possible over time. If you enjoy writing, composing music, or creating art, you can consider licensing your work and earning royalties whenever it is used. For example, an author can earn royalties every time their book is sold, or a musician can receive payments whenever their music is played on streaming platforms. Creating digital products, such as online courses, ebooks, or photographs, can also generate significant passive income, and the barrier to entry is not that difficult. On YouTube, there are many videos that show how to create your own course and sell it on one of the many platforms available in the market. Before we continue, I would like to ask you a favor. If you are enjoying this video and want to learn more about improving your financial life, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Your support is very important to us and motivates us to continue bringing valuable content to you. Now, let's get back to our topic. In addition to passive income, another effective way to diversify your income sources is through side hustles. These are small businesses or activities that you can do outside of your main job to earn extra money. The beauty of side hustles is that they can be based on your passions and skills. For example, if you are good at graphic design, you can offer freelance services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. This not only generates additional income, but also allows you to build a portfolio and develop your skills, potentially becoming your main income source. If you enjoy cooking, you can start selling homemade foods or desserts. There are countless possibilities, and with the internet, it is easier than ever to start a side hustle. You can start a blog or a YouTube channel and monetize them through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Possibilities are truly unlimited. Another popular way to generate extra income is through e-commerce. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon. You can sell handmade products, vintage items, or anything else that has a market. Additionally, dropshipping allows you to sell products without needing to maintain inventory, reducing initial costs. Investing is another fundamental strategy for creating multiple income streams. Different types of investments can provide varying returns and help diversify your portfolio. Besides real estate and stocks, you can consider investing in mutual funds, government bonds, and even cryptocurrency. The key to successful investing is financial education. Dedicate time to learn about different types of investments and how they work. There are many free online resources, such as blogs, videos, and courses that can help you become a more informed and confident investor. Put your money to work for you, but remember, this is a long path that requires study, patience, and consistency. The book The Richest Man in Babylon portrays very well how money should be treated. We have a video on this subject on the channel, and I will leave the link in the comments and description. Mutual funds allow you to invest in a diversified collection of stocks and bonds, which can reduce risk. Government bonds are low-risk investments that pay regular interest, being a great option for those seeking security. Cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, offer the possibility of high returns, but also come with a high degree of risk. It is important to diversify your investments and not put all your resources into a single asset class. Entrepreneurship is one of the most challenging, but also most rewarding ways to create multiple income streams. Starting your own business can require a significant initial investment of time, money, and effort, but the rewards can be substantial. The key to success in entrepreneurship is finding a market need and creating a solution for it. It could be an innovative product, an improved service, or a new way of doing something. Additionally, it is important to be willing to learn and constantly adapt. The business world is constantly changing, and successful entrepreneurs are those who can adjust to new realities and seize opportunities. A classic example of successful entrepreneurship is Steve Jobs, co-founder of Apple. Jobs identified a market need for sleek and intuitive electronic devices and created revolutionary products like the iPhone and iPad. His willingness to innovate and adapt to technological changes was fundamental to Apple's success. Education and personal development are essential investments to increase your earning potential. By acquiring new skills and knowledge, you become more valuable in the job market and increase your chances of obtaining better job and business opportunities. There are countless ways to invest in your education, from online courses and workshops to certification programs and degrees. Identify the areas that can most benefit your career or business and invest in them. Additionally, reading books on finance, entrepreneurship, and personal development can provide valuable insights and inspire new ideas. Generosity and gratitude also play an important role in creating multiple income streams. Being generous with your time, knowledge, and resources can open doors to new opportunities and strengthen your network. Gratitude, on the other hand, helps maintain a positive and motivated perspective, which is crucial for achieving financial success. Find ways to give back to your community, whether through donations, volunteering, or mentoring. By helping others, you will often find that you receive much more in return. Finally, discipline and patience are indispensable virtues on the journey to creating multiple income streams. Building wealth takes time and consistent effort. It is important to stay focused on your goals and resist the temptation to seek quick gains or get-rich-quick schemes. Remember that sustainable financial success is the result of healthy financial practices maintained over time. Develop a solid financial plan, follow it rigorously, and be prepared to adjust your strategies as necessary. To illustrate, let's consider the story of Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in the world. Buffett began investing when he was young and maintained a disciplined and patient approach throughout his life. He is known for his long-term investment philosophy and for avoiding short-term speculation. His patience and discipline allowed him to accumulate enormous wealth over the decade. If you are wondering how to apply these strategies in your life, here are some practical. First, start small. It is not necessary to have a large amount of money to start investing or initiate a side hustle. With careful planning and dedication, you can start building multiple income streams with limited resources. Second, stay informed. The financial world is constantly changing, and it is important to stay updated with trends and opportunities. Subscribe to newsletters, read financial blogs, and attend webinars to expand your knowledge. Third, conduct regular assessments of your finances. Analyze your current income sources and identify areas where you can diversify. If you already have a stable job, think about how you can start a side hustle or invest part of your salary in income-generating assets. Fourth, do not be afraid to fail. The path to financial success is often filled with trial and error. Learn from your mistakes and use these lessons to adjust your strategies and improve. For those interested in entrepreneurship, start by researching the market and identifying an unmet need. Develop a detailed business plan and seek advice from mentors or other successful entrepreneurs. Remember that persistence is key. Many successful entrepreneurs faced failures before achieving their goals. The importance of effective networking cannot be underestimated. Build and maintain relationships with professionals in your field and participate in events and conferences. These connections can open doors to new opportunities and partnerships. Use platforms like LinkedIn to expand your network and stay connected with other professionals. If you are enjoying this content and want to continue learning about how to improve your financial life, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with friends and family who can also benefit from this information. Together, we can build a safer and more prosperous financial future. Additionally, you can learn more with this video being recommended. Stay with us. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.